Hello pong muli, nose sign and symptoms po tayo, dry nostrils. Dry nostrils. Dry nostril can be caused either by heat or empty heat, usually affecting the lungs or stomach channel. In acute febrile disease, dry nostril may be caused by toxic heat and in the beginning stage of respiratory infections. They are caused by invasion of wind heat. Dry nostril refer to dryness of the nasal mucosa. Lung insufficiency with empty heat can cause dryness of the nostrils, spreading to the throat. Dryness of the nostril also appears in the stomach, heat patterns at the chi level within the 4 levels, identification of patterns. Dryness of the nostril also may be caused by blood stasis, in which case the nose breathes is dry. There is thirst without desire to swallow, and dark rings are present under the eyes. Chronic lung and spleen chi deficiency may cause dryness of the internal mucosa of the nose, a loss of the sense of smell, and often a turbid discharge from the eyes. Summary: dry nostrils, lung deficiency with empty heat. Dry nostrils, dry throat, dry cough, night sweating, palm heat. Stomach heat at that chi level, dry nostril, fever, thirst, sweating. Blood stasis, dry nostril and nose breathes, purple nose, breathes, darkening rings under the eyes. Dark complexion, lung and spleen chi deficiency, dry nostrils, loss of sense of smell, turbid discharge from the eyes. Dryness during the lungs. Dry nostrils, dry throat, dry cough, black nose, itchy nose, dry tongue, pulse fine on the right front position. Lung heat, dry and red nostril, itchy nose, flaring of nostril, epistaxis, red face, cough, slight breathlessness, feeling of heat, chest ache, thirst, red tongue with yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Stomach heat, dry and red nostrils, epistaxis, crust around the nostril, burning epigastric pain, thirst, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, foul breath, feeling of heat, red tongue with a yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Lung deficiency with empty heat. Dry nostril, itchy nose, dry cough, or with scanty sticky sputum that may be blood tinged. Dry mouth and throat at night. Weak and or hoarse voice. Night sweating, tiredness, malar flush, a feeling of heat or low-grade fever in the evening. 5 palm heat, thin body or thin chest, insomnia, anxiety, red tongue without coating, floating, empty, and rapid pulse. Stomach deficiency with empty heat. Dry nostrils, dry mouth, and throat, especially in the afternoon, dull or burning epigastric pain. Feeling of heat in the afternoon, thirst with desire to drink, and small sips, dry stools, slight feeling of fullness after eating, night sweating, 5 palm heat, bleeding gums, red tongue or red center only, without coating in the center, floating empty, and rapid falls. Lung and spleen chi deficiency, dry and itchy nostril, dry crust on the nostril, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weak or weakness of the limbs, loose stool, slight depression, tendency to obesity, slight shortness of breath, slight cough, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike to speak, propensity to catching cold, dislike of cold, pale tongue, empty pulse, especially on the right side. Bloody stasis, dry nostril, dry nose breathes, tears without desire to swallow, headache, dark rings under the eyes, purple tongue. Invasion of wind heat, dry nostrils, acute onset, aversion to cold, fever, cough, sore throat, stuffed or runny nose with yellow discharge, headache, body aches, slightly sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, tongue slightly red on the side, in the chest area, or on front part, floating rapid pulse. Invasion of wind dryness, dry nostril, acute onset, dry cough, dry throat, aversion to cold, fever, dry throat, sticky throat, dry nose, discomfort of the chest, thin dry white tongue coating, and floating pulse. Toxic heat in the lungs. So dry nostrils, swollen and red nose, flaring of nostrils, cough with expectoration of bloody sputum, fever, chest pain, mental restlessness, cough, restlessness, feeling of heat, thirst, red face, red tongue with red points in the front, and thick, sticky, dry, dark yellow coating, overflowing, slippery, rapid pulse. Thank you po for your listening.